Welcome to Autos Insight, your go-to source for expert car care and automotive guidance. Today, we're diving into a small but critical component that plays a major role in how smoothly your engine runs at idle: the idle air control valve, commonly known as the IAC valve. The IAC valve is responsible for regulating the amount of air that bypasses the throttle plate in order to maintain a consistent and smooth idle speed. When this component fails, it can create a variety of frustrating and even dangerous symptoms that can affect both performance and safety. So if your car is stalling at red lights, idling roughly, or revving without input, you may be dealing with a faulty idle air control valve. One of the most common symptoms of a bad IAC valve is an irregular or rough idle. Your engine may feel like it's surging or pulsing, especially when sitting at a stop or with the air conditioning turned on. Since the IAC valve helps the engine maintain a stable idle RPM, a failing one can cause RPMs to jump up and down unexpectedly. In some cases, the idle may be so low that the engine shuts off entirely, especially during cold starts or when the steering wheel is turned, putting load on the engine. This can make your vehicle unpredictable in traffic or at intersections and can lead to stalling during driving, which is a serious safety hazard. Another major red flag is an engine that stalls immediately after starting, particularly when the engine is cold. When the IAC valve is stuck closed or clogged, the engine won't get enough air to maintain combustion when idling, resulting in a stall. If this happens frequently during startup or stop-and-go traffic, it's time to check the valve. You might also notice that your vehicle struggles to maintain RPM when the AOC is turned on or when you put the car into gear. These are moments when the IAC valve typically compensates for extra load on the engine. A malfunctioning valve will fail to make the necessary adjustments, causing your engine to stumble or die. Another noticeable symptom is when the engine idles too high. If the IAC valve is stuck open, your engine may get too much air, causing it to idle at a much higher RPM than normal. This not only wastes fuel but puts extra strain on engine components and can damage the catalytic converter over time. Also, keep an eye out for a check engine light. A failing IAC valve may trigger codes like P0505, indicating an idle control system malfunction. Using an OBD2 scanner can help you diagnose whether the issue is truly the valve or another related system like a vacuum leak or throttle body problem. If you suspect your idle air control valve is going bad, it's important to address the issue promptly. Sometimes, the valve is simply dirty and can be cleaned with throttle body or carburetor cleaner. However, in many cases, especially on older vehicles, replacement is the most effective solution. Make sure to consult your mechanic or vehicle service manual for guidance. A properly functioning IAC valve ensures your engine runs smoothly, improves fuel efficiency, and keeps your driving experience safe and comfortable. Thanks for tuning in to Autos Insight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences with idle problems in the comments below. Stay informed and keep your engine running strong.